Start off with the introduction, and then I'll continue when you.
Okay.
I'll kickstart the slides when you're ready.
Okay, great. Well, I'm recording, so whenever you're ready.
Okay.
All right. Hey, so guys, it's Andrew with Jumper, and I've got Eugene here from Freedom Profits Blueprint. And today you're going to be in for a real treat. So Eugene's back again, and he did a fantastic overview last time, but now we're really going to go dive in, and we're going to show you everything, pull back the covers, and show you how to really scale and grow your e-commerce business with chatbot messaging with Facebook. And it's going to be really exciting, and I'm super stoked that Eugene took time to come on and break it all down for you. So Eugene, welcome.
Thanks, Andrew. Thanks for the great introduction. Yeah. And yeah, my name is Eugene Cheng. If you don't know me, so I'm from Freedom Profits, and welcome to our little webinar series on how to use Facebook Messenger ads to scale your e-commerce businesses, without losing thousands of dollars. I will go through everything I'll give you a big picture first, an overview of this strategy, before breaking down the first part and a few parts of the webinar series, and so that you need to bite-sized pieces as well, so you can implement this strategy in the easiest way possible. So I'll be adding a lot of value to you guys. So please have your pen and paper ready to take any notes you might have, and then if you miss any important information, you can always refer back to this presentation. So let's rock and roll. So
that's good.
Yep. So so what we learn in this webinar series. So basically the ultimate 5C system to scale your e-commerce business. So from running highly targeted Facebook ads, Messenger ads, driving potential customers to your engaging posts, of which we will connect with them and then turn them into subscribers. And then once they become a subscriber, we can use the hashtag selling point from Jumper, and then we can connect with them on a deeper level and ultimately convert them into customers. So here's the breakdown of the faster system. The first C is to create an engaging Facebook post. So we will look into types of engaging posts that you can run, Facebook guidelines we need to know, and also a couple other best practices that we need to take a look at it. And also the second C is to craft a compelling Facebook Messenger ads. I would delve deep into the ad settings and also ways to optimize your Facebook ads better, so you save a lot of money. Say for example, not using certain little checkboxes that Facebook is already pre-checked that you're trying to chew up all your budget. So I'll go through each and every bit of those with you guys. So the third C is to connect and engage with shoppers, and is understanding their needs or their pain points, so we can reach out to them and offer them what we have to sell. So the fourth C is conversation. So you will explain how your products would benefit your customers and also solve their needs. And last but not least, the fifth C is to convert shoppers into lifetime customers. So here is the complete breakdown of the 5C system, which I'll go through from week 1 to week 7. So week 1, which is today, we'll go through the Facebook ads fundamentals, the chatbot fundamentals, knowing all your target audience if you don't know. So demographics, geographics, and also psychographics targeting. So week 2, we go through on planning and creating your Facebook engaging posts. And then week 3 is to set up your ManyChat, the message sequence, your copywriting that you need to include, product links, etc. And then week 4 is to set up your Jumper account, which Andrew will go through with you in details because he's the expert in this. And then week 5, yep. And week 5 is to set up your Facebook engagement ads, from the audience that you managed to find out from week 1, and then placements of the ads and also ad copy. Week 6 is ManyChat and also Jumper follow-up sequence. We will take a look at this. So pretty much a lot of copywriting that we will take a look at it. And last but not least, week 7, we'll tweak and analyze, your Facebook ads, looking at the budget, audience placements, country, and pretty much what we do is tweak the ads to optimize for better reach and also lower costs, and then also creating another engagement post with different copywriting to split test the results. So in week 1, we'll pretty much go through the Facebook ad fundamentals, ManyChat fundamentals, and also knowing your target audience, and also finding them if you don't know your exact target audience. So let's take a look at the Facebook campaign structure. This is pretty much what it looks like. So firstly, you create a campaign through Ads Manager, as explained here. So each campaign corresponds to a single advertising objective, like driving website traffic. I want you to always name your campaign accordingly so it's easier to navigate. Now, it's common sense, but you'll be surprised how many people, entrepreneurs, don't take this seriously. When you have a different name, like say campaign 1, campaign 2, campaign 3, and you don't know what's going on, so it's a whole really messy. So I'll go through that with you with this. So next is the ad sets. So here you set a budget and schedule for each of your ad sets, and you also define your targeting that you want to reach, your audience targeting, placements, and also bid settings at this level, ad set level. And the last tier is the ad set can include multiple ads with images, text, links, or any videos, or even call to action buttons. So we can create one for each specific ad that you want to split test. Maybe you want to use a different image in here, or you want to change or use a different copywriting. This is where you will test out the Facebook ads. So the next one is ManyChat. So pretty much, so what is a chatbot now? A chatbot is also known as a chatterbot or talkbot or artificial conversation or entity. This got it from Wikipedia. So it's pretty much a computer program or an AI which conducts a conversation or textual methods, pretty much with your audience. So for instance, you might have seen chatbots in action on some of these platforms, such as Facebook, of course, definitely. And if you use, what's the other one? Can't remember on top of my head. Sorry. So pretty much where bots will start a conversation with whether it is helping you out with an issue or guiding you through making a purchase. So you'll also see this in, like, say, websites. When you jump to the website, there's a little pop-up message box at the right bottom corner, asking you, do you need a hand with this? Do you have any questions about our products? So these are all chatbot. So pretty much ManyChat lets you create a Facebook Messenger bot for marketing, for your sales, and also for your support team as well. There are other similar online tools that you can use, such as Bot Letter, but it's really up to you. I personally prefer ManyChat because I've been using it for quite some time now, and also it's a simple to use and easy to navigate, and it also has a lot of other integrations that you can use. So here's quite a few variety of growth tools in ManyChat that you can choose from, such as what we have here for the landing page. So this is where people go to the landing page, people land on it, and your little pop-ups. But instead of inserting your email address to get this free ebook or get these free tips and tricks, so what ManyChat allows for users is a little pop-up that they can pretty much connect with you on Facebook Messenger. So no need to insert any email addresses. So it's very subtle. And once people click on that, connect on Facebook Messenger, they're pretty much converted into your subscriber. So in this one, we'll focus more on the Facebook comments. that we will use in here. So pretty much anytime when people comment on your Facebook post, and Messenger will automatically trigger the bot, which will send them a message. And once they reply to the message, then you automatically convert into a subscriber, which in a way we are building up our assets here, building up our subscribers, and similar to building up email addresses, in which in the future we'll be able to send broadcast and message to them. Say for example, you have an upcoming new product, or if you want to have an upcoming Christmas sales is coming, so you can broadcast message through Facebook Messenger. So it's a pretty powerful tool just because of the open rate is really, really high. So the next one, let's take a look at your target audience and how you can, or also how you should identify your ideal customers. A lot of you might think that you know your audience, your customers, but sometimes it's not too exact or it's not deep enough. So pretty much what we want to look at is these 3 pillars right here. These 3 pillars defining your target audience. So we have demographics, we have geographics, and also psychographics. So these 3 elements plays an important role in forming your target audience. So your demographic segmentation is the market segmentation according to, say, your age, race, religion, family size, income, education, and pretty much everything listed down here. You need to know what your audience is. And for geographic segmentation is dividing its marketplace on the basis of your geography. So pretty much segment the market by area, such as the city, the region, the country, and also international regions. And the third one is psychographics, which is a segmentation that involves dividing your market based on different personality traits, values, your audience's attitudes, your audience's interests, lifestyles, what they're interested in. For example, they're interested in, say, pet products, or what their lifestyle is, and spend a lot of time at the golf course. So knowing your audience, down to a T, will be able to help you find out and also sell, and also use this data for your Facebook ads that will be run later on. So the best way to understand your target audience is to really immerse yourself in it. Use social media to engage with your audience, with your customers, and also followers. Put yourself in their shoes and familiar yourself with the jargon and understand what's really important to them, so that you can find out. So you can learn a lot about your target audience, not just on how they interact with your business, but also how they interact with each other, and also with other businesses as well. So your homework would definitely be identifying your target audience, so you can use this data for your Facebook ads down the track. So what you can really do here is, take out your piece of paper, draw an avatar, and then from there, write down all this your target audience based on these 3 elements: to demographics, geographics, and psychographics. So yeah, that's pretty much all for today. Now I'm going to leave you with this quote: to make progress, you must actually get started. And the key is to take a first step today, and pretty much make sure you do your homework. And then next webinar, you learn how to create your Facebook engaging post right here. This is going to be interesting. So you will learn about the 3 types of engaging posts that you can create, and a couple of tips alongside that I will show you, and also a couple say Facebook guidelines as well. That is really, really important because we'll be running Facebook ads for this post. So we want to follow by the rules and the Facebook ad rules, and also a couple of ninja tactics that you can use as well. It's a little bit sneaky, but it works. Don't worry, you won't get penalized or anything else. And So I really hope you enjoyed this presentation as much as I did creating this for you. And thank you, and looking forward to see you in the next webinar.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, looking forward to it. Really good stuff. This is the base level stuff, guys, that you need to understand. And then Eugene is really going to take you through the other pieces, and it's really going to be, it's amazing because he is a master of what he does. So, yeah, tune in for our next webinar that's going to be coming up, and have your homework in hand, and we'll see you next time.
Cool.
Take care, Eugene.
You too.